how to set focus and exposure on iPhone. First, open the camera app and point it at the subject you want to capture. To set the focus, simply tap on the area of the screen where you want the camera to focus. The yellow focus box will appear, showing that your iPhone is focusing on that part of the image. Next, to adjust the exposure, look for the sun icon next to the focus box. Swipe up to make the photo brighter, or swipe down to make it darker, until you're happy with the lighting. If you want to keep the focus and exposure locked while you recompose your shot, tap and hold on the screen until you see AEAF lock at the top. This prevents the camera from automatically changing the focus or brightness while you're taking the photo. When you're ready, tap the shutter button to capture your picture. To unlock the focus and exposure, simply tap anywhere else on the screen. That's it. You've successfully learned how to set focus and exposure on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone camera tips, photography tutorials, and